What's up, everybody? It's your girl Glenda, and we are back for another video. If you would like to be part of G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a video. Now, on today's video, we are making hash brown casserole. I told y'all we was fixing breakfast. I got the same shirt on. I just made some biscuits. I didn't change my shirt because we back here again with hash brown casserole. Okay? Now, for the hash brown casserole, here's the ingredients that you will need. I am using simply potatoes right here. This is a 1 pound bag. You need them to be thawed, completely thawed. If you have Orida shredded hash browns or something, that is perfect. Use that. You're also going to need some melted butter. The butter that I'm using is Smart Balance because you want something that's close to like a margarine. I'm also using a couple of cups. We'll see. I might just use 1 cup, but a couple of cups of shredded cheese. The best cheese to use in this recipe is Colby. So if you have Colby, use that. I'm using what I got. 1 can of cream of chicken soup, Campbell's cream of chicken soup, and some diced onions, which I have over here. I'm not about to pick up that whole thing, so yeah, I got some diced onions over here. Now, I'm going to use a foil pan here, and I'm gonna mix everything in that. Oven's preheated at 350 degrees. This has to cook for about, what did I tell you? 30 to 45 minutes, something like that. So I have 2 bags of Simply Potato, but you're only gonna use a bag and like a handful of the other bag. So let's dump this in. And I'm gonna cut the other bag. So y'all, we got breakfast going, so I got sausage patties over here and all that stuff. So if you happen to get a glimpse of that, that's what you see. I'm just gonna put like another handful in here. Alright, and then we'll put this in a bag for another video. Alright, and you're also going to need some salt and pepper. Alright, so let's go in with our onion. I took a half of a small onion and I diced it up. And so we're going in with half of this small onion. You can use as much or as little onion as you like. If you don't like onion and you just can get along with some onion powder, use that. If you want to saute you some onions first, then do that. Some people just don't like onion like that. Can I have a spoon, please? And I'm going in with our cream of chicken. Try to get all of whatever I paid for out of the can. Alright, and let's go in with our cheese, about a cup thus far. Let's try that out. And then I really want to kind of go in here with my hands and just mix it up. I'm gonna be cute. Hey, you just yes, I'm gonna salt and pepper it. When I get it mixed up a little bit, then I'm gonna mix it again. Just get everything well incorporated with that cream of chicken soup. Okay. Some people put sour cream. Some people put cream of mushroom. Listen, your kitchen, your way. Y'all know what I say? My kitchen, my way. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm giving. I'm giving what I'm giving in this recipe. Let's get that. That is nice and incorporated. You don't want chunks of soup, you know, in different spots. So you want to just kind of break it down. Now, I'm going to take my salt. Bear with me. Alright, so I'm going to take some salt here. My little salt cellar. Got these. Y'all seen this on the grocery haul. Love it. This is kosher salt. So, y'all know that cream of chicken was not low sodium. So, pepper. This is just some brown black pepper. And I'm just kind of doing some pinches. That's probably about a teaspoon. And then I'm going to just give that another mix. Just to get that all incorporated. And then we are going to go in the oven. Now we're not going to like press this down or anything. You want to make sure you keep it nice and airy. So we're just going to smooth it out. And just keep it nice and slightly salty. So we are gonna put the melted butter in. We gave that a mix after the salt and pepper. So we're gonna give it another mix. And we're just gonna add in our melted butter. And I'm not putting in all of what I want you guys to be the judge of how much butter you put. But I just had a couple of tablespoons of the margarine, the Smart Balance butter. I'm just gonna mix that up again.
I think I like it how it is.
Get the butter incorporated. So mix well.
I got food in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for a new way.
And then we're just going to smooth it back out. Roughly. No pressing down. Make sure it's in the corners.
Running full speed with scissors in hand. I love pointy things. Let's fall on the floor next to all of our needs.
Now, into the oven, 350 degrees for the next 35 to 45 minutes. See you back in a bit.
Green, is there a soul? Is a soul a real thing? If you're really in the know, is it?
And this is going in the oven, 350 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay? We'll be back to show you the finished results of this Hashbrown Casserole. Alright, so we are back, and our hashed potato casserole is done. Say hashed potato? I said hashed potato. Hashbrown casserole is done. Take a look, you guys. Get in there. Get in there. Look at that. Let me lift a little bit of it up so y'all can see. Ooh. Oh my God. Picture. Oh, yes. Yes, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh. All you got's every breath till your last, and then you'll be dead. So live it all good. This your nose in pen. Be grateful for what you got. Don't let that ego in head.
Keep it free, boy. Keep them strings off me, boy. No stems, no sticks, no seeds, no
What you want?
no peace, no love, no retreat, don't care.
This is absolutely delicious. The onions flavor is in there. It don't need any seasoning, in my opinion. It don't need any seasoning. It's nice and creamy. That flavor from the chicken, cream of chicken soup is shining through. Listen, you better make you some. We're gonna see y'all on the next video. Holla.